Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I am back with another hair video and I'll be reviewing this hair that I got, that I purchased from Tinashe hair. It's my first time purchasing from this hair company, so yeah, let's just get into it. So in this small pouch there's this cute little mirror that I'm showing you guys right now, and my camera of course isn't focusing. I'm sorry for that. And there's also a card with their social media links and of course the hair you purchased. So the tag says it's 100% unprocessed natural hair. I got 3 bundles of 18 inches and a 16-inch frontal. And as you guys can see, this is body wave hair, and the hair felt very soft. There was very little shedding, maybe 1 or 2 strands, but nothing to complain about. So I was very happy with my purchase. So guys, I ended up bleaching the hair because I wanted something different than just dark hair. So I just bleached the ends and left the roots dark, and let me tell y'all, the hair shedded like crazy. But the hair wasn't blonde enough for my liking, so I still went ahead and bleached it a second time. And I did deep condition the hair, but it just stayed dry. The dryness was to be expected because after all I am putting chemicals in the hair, but no matter what I did, it just didn't revert back to that nice smooth texture. But I added all sort of products in it, so that did kind of help. So this is the wig that I made, and right now I'm gonna customize the hairline and style it, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. So guys, this is the final product. I added an elastic band to the wig. If you look closely, you can still see that the ends of the hair still looks rough, but the roots looks very nice and laid. So I think I would get better results if I didn't bleach the hair, but this is 100% human hair, so bleaching it shouldn't be a problem. I've bleached hair before and it wasn't looking like this, so I don't know where the problem lies. I think I'm gonna soak the hair for about 24 hours in some deep conditioner and see if that helps. But if you guys have any tips for me, leave them in the comment down below. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you tried hair from this hair company before. And yes guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video.